Hello Nistas, welcome back to the channel. I want to thank you guys for coming back to the channel. It's been a minute, I know you guys, but we gonna just move through life accordingly, okay? But it's good to see you guys, and I hope you're happy to see me. So I am here to do a Sephora haul from the latest VIB sale. So if you're interested in seeing the things that I picked up, please stay tuned. All right, you guys, moving forward, I said that I was going to start sharing with you on camera, being recorded, sharing my lipstick combination, because many times I forget to link it at the bottom. So just in case one of those times I forget to link it at the bottom, at least you'll know the name and somewhat of a visual image of it. So I started off with the Root for Me MAC liner. One of my faves from MAC, and this is the Grape Splash. This came in that kit. I got this at the last VIB, I think, in the fall, but this is a Fenty Beauty, and I love this color. It's like a soft purple pinkish iridescent color. Love it. I do need to see if I can find my backup, but I'm wearing that on my lips today. So you guys, I had two separate orders to come in because I did a store delivery order and I did an online order because some things I couldn't pick up, well, I couldn't get delivered from my local store. So we're gonna go through the local store items first. So this is my bag. All right, so I have gotten off into those stained lip colors, and I now see that they have, well, they probably been had them, but I'm now in the know of the stain liner, because a lot of days I love to just wear lip gloss, but if you don't have that definition in the line of your lips, it still doesn't look as polished as I would wish it to. So, you know, with the VIB sale, anything Sephora, you get 30% off. So I thought that would be a really cool price once the 30% came off on these Sephora brand lip tints / liners. So this is in the color Brownie Sketch. This is more of like a rust burgundy type of brown color, and I have it in the color Rosewood Trace. So these retail for $13 and you got the 30% off, so like $7 you could get these for. So I thought that was a really cool price. I should have gotten more, but I didn't. All right, and I got an Eadem lip balm. I am so frustrated with myself because I lost my Guava Fresca and I haven't replaced it, but I did want to get this Bissup Glaze color. So I ended up getting this Bissup Glaze color. And the reason that I didn't replace the Guava Fresca, because I did buy one of those newly released pinks, which, you know, is kind of like in the same shade. So I've added this to the Eadem collection. So I think this makes number 4 now. I would have had 5, but I misplaced one. But these are really, really nice. I do enjoy these lip glosses. So all the hype about them, in my opinion, it checks out. All right, I also purchased a Josie Maran Topless Tangerine Body Butter Oil. This is probably one of the best body butter oils that I have experienced. It is very similar to the Fenty Beauty. I like them both. I think I did a comparison of these. If I did, I'll link that video. If I did, a short or something. But I got the Topless Tangerine because I am a citrus girl in the spring and summer, so I purchased that. And I purchased the fragrance that had been on my radar, that I had been hearing a lot of the girls on TikTok talk about, and this is the latest from the Viktor and Rolf Flowerbomb line, and this is Pretty Peony. and I have already opened it. So I purchased this. I had gone into Ulta and sampled this. I had been saying that I was going to get the Tiger Lily last year, but by the time I was ready to get it, the season was changing and I was like, I'm gonna get something else. You know how that goes. But I do still plan on purchasing the Tiger Lily, but I wanted this, what is it? Pretty Peony. This is truly a beautiful pretty girl scent, and I love the tardiness that you get from this. This is good. So I don't always have the best of luck with Peony, but I am really hoping that this one is safe. When I went in store, I did spray it on myself and wore it around the rest of the evening, you know, and I didn't get a headache or any reaction to it. So hopefully this will be perfect for me. I have not worn it in isolation yet. So again, Pretty Peony. So I picked that up. And now let's get into my box. So I had a few items shipped in. So starting off with the contents in the box, I forgot to add these to my store delivery order. And I was like, ooh, let me get these. So I got these. These are part of the Sephora collection. Also, these are the organic wipes. I love these cotton wipes, you guys, because it is a wider wipe. It's bigger than those circle ones that you can get out of the drugstore. These are perfect. They're very inexpensive. I think they're like $4.50, but you do get 30% off, which I was thinking to myself, I should have ordered more, because normally when I order 3, they tend to last me from one season to the next. But in the summer, I use these more because I am a witch hazel girl. So I am applying witch hazel in places. So I do need probably about 3 more of these, so they'll carry me over into the next VIB. So I got these 2. All right, so I picked up 2 lip products as well. On one of my shorts, you guys, I shared with you, this came in one of my Valentino fragrances as a sample. And when they say sample, don't you think for 1 minute that this is full. It may have been half full, which I don't know for sure, but the way that I have used this up, is nothing in here. It's gone. So I knew that I wanted to replace this. This is their 2-in-1 lip and cheek color, and this is in the color Pretty as Punk. So I was glad I was able to sample and try this. I have not tried applying it on my cheeks. I really just like it on my lips for now. So I knew that I wanted to get a full size of this, so I did just that. So here it is, and yes, they said lip and blush Phlur liquid matte color, lasting high comfort. So this is one of those 2-in-1s, and here recently I have really been enjoying the 2-in-1 makeup products. So here it is in the full size, in the color, did I say Pretty as Pink? I think, what did I say? Pink is Punk. That's what it is. Pink is Punk is the color, you guys. It just starts to run together. Y'all bear with me. So I got that. The other lip product that I got, and this is originally the lip stain liner that I was exposed to, that I saw many of the girls talk about on YouTube as well as TikTok. So I ordered one of these, which is the Huda Beauty brand, and I got it in the color, what color is this? They are called the Lip Contour Stains. And I haven't tried any of these products out yet, other than that Valentino. This is called, it's in the color Toasty Brown. So that's how the tip of it looks. So I got this. And lastly, I got 2 travel size fragrances. I did not mean to get this. I meant to get the one that was just recently released, which is the Moonstone, is it called? The one that was just recent. And I got 2 travel size fragrances, you guys. This one from Phlur, I did not mean to get this. I meant to get the latest one, which is the Honey Moon. And I ended up getting the Afterglow. I've already smelled this. This is a pretty close to skin fragrance. I just did not, you know, desire or feel the need to have it because I do have quite a few fragrances in that same fragrance DNA. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this or if I'm going to take it back and exchange it because my store does sell Phlur products. If I'm going to change it out for something else, I'm not really sure. But it has fragrance notes of citrus splash. It has fragrance notes of citrus splash, apricot skin, coconut foam, lavender milk, amaret, vanilla, sandalwood, amber, and cashmere. And like I said, this is a nice, perfect for this time of year. This is what I call close to skin, comforting type of fragrances. It doesn't give you that vanilla or that tonka or that extra heavy lavender nuance. The citrusness in it is nice. This is nice. I've sampled this a couple times while in Sephora, and I also sampled it on skin, and it's pretty nice. But like I said, I just didn't think that I needed it or I really wanted it. But we'll see if I keep it or if I exchange it out for the honeymoon. And this latest one from Ellis Brooklyn is Isla Sirena, the beautiful green bottle. Now, this right here, you guys, I have already sampled this. When you initially spray this, this is everything that I hoped for because I am a lime coconut type of girl. Beautiful fragrance. But I have to play with this a little bit more because I'm not real sure about the dry down. I was not very impressed. Now this right here, what I'm getting now, this is so good. So good. But it's something about the dry down on my skin. The same way it was with that Guava Granita. And it's already coming through. I'm still getting that citrus, but it's something in here that's giving it a cardboard, plasticky type of nuance. And like I said, it could very well just be me and my skin, but it's coming through. I'm gonna see you guys. I won't return this. I will keep it and see how I like it with pairing it with other lime or coconut products just to see if it changes a little bit. But just applying it to my skin, and as it dries down quickly, I start to smell that cardboard, plasticky type of fragrance that I'm not liking. The lime is still in the background and hidden, but the initial spray of this is totally different than a 1 to 2 minute dry down. It has like this funkiness to it, and it's not a good funkiness, you know, like I love that funkiness that you get with the Guidance line from Amouage. This is different. So we're gonna play around with it, you guys, and we will see. So I am glad that I followed my first mind with getting it in travel size, because I was very tempted to get it in full size, but I didn't. So you guys, that's it. There are a couple other things that I have in my cart and I am considering getting, along with my additional cotton swabs that I want to get. But there are some other lip products, and it's the skincare product that I saw someone else mention in their wish list that I want to try out. So that's it, you guys. Let me know if you shop the sale. Let me know if you plan on shopping. I don't really know when it ends. I cannot remember. I just know that it started for me on April the 10th, which was last Friday. So it's probably going to be ending soon. But I'll see you guys in the next video. I greatly appreciate you. And do not forget, you, yes, you are great. Bye-bye.